Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and turning the feature on. First, make sure macOS is up to date. This prevents compatibility gaps. Next, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so devices can discover your Mac. These are mandatory. Once done, open System Settings, go to Personal Hotspot and toggle it on, set a strong password, and choose whether to allow connections automatically. These steps get the hotspot broadcasting. Now move to configuring who can connect and how you'll share internet. Now you configure how devices attach and how traffic flows. In Personal Hotspot settings, pick the interface. Use USB for a single fast connection or Wi-Fi for multiple devices. Bluetooth is optional for low bandwidth. Then customize the network name and secure password. Prefer WPA2 or WPA3 when the option appears. Once configured, watch active clients in Control Center and, if needed, limit simultaneous connections to reduce congestion. When devices connect, confirm they receive an IP and can load web pages to validate. Finish by validating and knowing how to fix common issues. Connect a phone or another laptop, confirm it gets an IP address and loads a website. That proves the hotspot is functional. If connections are flaky, restart Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or reboot the Mac. This often clears DHCP and discovery failures. Make sure both devices run recent updates. Once done, consider resetting network settings or changing the hotspot password if clients won't authenticate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.